Hello students, as your exams are approaching, so I thought I will discuss one of the most important topic, that is why you have seen that some of the elements they show color to the flame. Okay, so this topic is there actually in the practicals as well as in the theory. So let us discuss the one of the most important topic, that is why elements show color to the flame. Okay. Now, this you have studied in the 10th standard, that the arrangement of the electrons around the nucleus that was given by the Bohr. Okay, so this is n represents the principal quantum number, and n is equal to 1 means it is closer to the nucleus. This is the first orbit, and then n is equal to 2 means it is the second orbit. Okay, so in this way, so from by the value of the n, we can come to know the main energy level, that is known as principal quantum number. Okay, now when you are doing the experiments, you might have seen that many elements, many salts, they give color to the flame. Okay, so you have to heat it in the blue flame. And for example, if you have a calcium salt, you will see that it gives a brick red color. Okay, in this way, you can take a chalk also and heat it in the blue flame, and you will see that it is giving a brick red color. Similarly, if you take lithium salts or strontium salts, which are the most commonly the examiners they give for the salt analysis. So strontium salt, they give the blood red color. Similarly, copper salt, it gives the bluish green color to the flame. So definitely this comes to your brain that why these salts are giving different color. Okay, and this is one of the most important viva question even, and for the theory paper also this is one of the most important. So I will explain this small concept to you today. Okay, just see. Now if I talk about the ground state of an element, ground state means when the electron is present in its own energy level, belongs to its own energy level. Okay, now, when certain light radiation, that is in the form of the photon, falls on this, the electron absorbs the energy from the light radiation and it goes to the next higher energy level, that is known as excited state. Okay, and after some time, what will happen? This electron will again lose energy. It will lose energy from this excited state. It is losing energy and it will drop down to its own original energy level. So when it will drop down to its own original energy level, it radiates the light radiation which falls in the visible spectrum, and we can see the color to the flame. So for example, if I talk about the strontium, you can see that is it gives a blood red color. Okay, why it is like that? Because when you are heating it in the blue flame, okay, so the outermost electron will absorb the light heat from here, and it will go to the next higher energy level. Okay, after some time again that electron will drop down to its own energy level and it will give out the light radiation, and that light radiation in the visible spectrum falls in the this region, that is blood red color. Okay, and so we are able to see the blood red color to the flame. I hope you have understood this concept and you will be able to give the correct answer to the examiner. Okay, wish you all the best, all of you. Okay, thank you.